Hey guys, Rad Performance here. So we just did a first coat of the Eastwood OptiFlow. This is the urethane. This is their high build primer. So we got one coat on. We're gonna do 3 coats, maybe 4. This is a grayer finish opposed to a white finish. I'll show you the mixing we did. So this is the can. This is the urethane, and then we mix it. It's in the 4-to-1. So we did 4 parts, and then you add and then get it up to 1 part. So 4-to-1 mixing ratio. That is obviously your part A, the normal product itself. And then this right here, if I can turn it, is the catalyst and the activator. So 4 parts of that plus 1 part of that. And then you have a 30-minute working window. We're painting it in a 70-degree garage, it looks like right now. I guess the humidity is a little bit up there. And yeah, I can say it definitely dries really fast. So basically, it's just gonna dry, and then you don't want to keep working on it, because the more you work it in, kind of just the worse you really make it for yourself. And it'll start to lift because it's already tacking in place. So this is 1 coat, and hopefully it'll lay down nice and smooth like I had the body when I put like the 3 coats on it, because this thing, it laid down pretty nice after the whole 3 coats. So we're gonna see what happens. Hey guys, so we got the 3rd coat on here. This is what they recommend. We're gonna do 3 because honestly right after we're gonna start blocking it in the crosshatch pattern, which I believe we're gonna try to use 180 grit or so. But after 3 coats, first coat looked a little thin. 3 coats, it looks nice, flat and even. But we're gonna take the sander to it once it fully dries, and then that's gonna be the test right there.